Oh, thank you. Oh. It's SK's last night in town, so we're gonna go to a little romantic dinner before he leaves. Perfect. We always make a huge effort to spend time together when he's in town because it's a luxury for us at this point.
I have a reservation for 9:30. Sure. It's gonna be on this elevator up to the fourth floor. Thank you.
Oh,
It was a tough decision to say no at the altar. I felt how heartbroken and how devastated she was, and I did not take it lightly. I still love Raven very much, and I'm just a little stressed out. This is a second chance that I get, and I don't want to blow it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Raven Michelle. Our love story has been uniquely Raven and SK from the very beginning, and we've always done things our very own way without fear of what everyone else thinks. Our love has flourished in the most unimaginable way, and I can't wait to continue writing the story. I commit to you my very best self. I commit to love you and let you grow without borders. I commit to let you flourish without limits and love you till the very end. Raven Michelle, will you marry me again?
yes. I love it. I love you. I'm a fiance in the fiance club. I love it. I'm like, it looks so good. I can see all the way to China in this ring, y'all. Writing down like the man that I've always wanted. SK literally hits all of those things. The perfect vision, everything that I always wanted.
Oh, champagne toast.
It's not a way that I can articulate. I just feel he is my person. I can be my full self. Like he's my little comfort blanket. It's like my security. I love him.
I always wish like by me the whole time.
It's been fun.
Cheers to having more fun.
Cheers to being a cat dad. Cat daddy. Oh.
Second time's the charm. I'm looking forward to new experiences, making new memories in different parts of the world, really.
I am definitely ready to move. I'm ready for the new chapter, the new. I'm excited to plant seeds in other places.
Seed planting, all sorts of seeds.